Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today is our 27th video in the I-55 series, and we're driving north on I-55 in the southern suburbs of St. Louis, Missouri. I-55 through St. Louis was completed in 1967. We enter the city of St. Louis, the second largest city in Missouri, located at the confluence of the Mississippi and Missouri rivers. At the 2020 census, St. Louis had a population of 301,578 people, down more than 500,000 from its peak population of nearly 857,000 in 1950. The metropolitan area, which extends across the Mississippi River into Illinois, has a population of over 2.8 million. St. Louis is an independent city, not within the bounds of any county. The city is divided into 79 government-designated neighborhoods. The neighborhood divisions have no legal standing, although some neighborhood associations administer grants or hold veto power over historic district development. The city is built on bluffs and terraces that rise 100 to 200 feet above the western banks of the Mississippi River, just south of the Missouri-Mississippi confluence. Here we see a junction with I-44, which will run concurrent with I-55 briefly. I-44 is one of 5 interstates built to bypass US Route 66, running from Wichita Falls, Texas to I-70 in St. Louis. The last 2 exits in Missouri are numbered using I-44's mileage, which is why we'll be jumping from 207 to 290 over just a couple of miles. For the entire length of the I-44 overlap, the famous St. Louis Gateway Arch will be visible to the left. At 630 feet or 190 meters, it's the world's tallest arch and tallest man-made monument in the Western Hemisphere. Built as a monument to the westward expansion of the United States, it is the centerpiece of the Gateway Arch National Park. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. and give us a thumbs up or hit the new super thanks button if you enjoy our videos. Here we take exit 291A and the concurrency with I-44 ends. This will take us to the William L. Clay Sr. Bridge, locally known as the Poplar Street Bridge, which carries I-55 and I-64 as well as US Highway 40 east over the Mississippi River into Illinois. The bridge, which dates back to 1967, was built over Poplar Street on the Missouri side, hence the commonly known name of the bridge. We see lane closures due to a redesign of the interchange on the Illinois side of the river. We enter the state of Illinois in the city of East St. Louis in St. Clair County. This route was also designated as part of the Great River Road in Illinois. East St. Louis had an estimated population of 26,047 as of 2019. A recent addition to the city's waterfront is the Gateway Geyser. On the grounds of the Malcolm W. Martin Memorial Park, the fountain is the second tallest in the world. Designed to complement the Gateway Arch across the river in St. Louis, it shoots water to a height of 630 feet, the same height as the arch. Here we pick up yet another concurrency with Illinois State Highway 3. At exit 3, we lose Illinois Highway 3 and I-64 heads off east to Louisville, and just ahead we'll pick up Interstate 70 for a while. We enter Fairmont City, actually not a city but a village in St. Clair and Madison counties. As of 2019, Fairmont City had an estimated population of 2,453. Fairmont City is built atop portions of the Cahokia Mounds on the site of a pre-Columbian Native American city. Cahokia was the largest and most influential urban settlement of the Mississippian culture, which developed advanced societies across much of what is now the central and southeastern United States, beginning more than 1,000 years before European contact. We conclude this video at mile marker 8 as we enter Collinsville. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.